Hello everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Memories channel. Today we are here in one of the biggest shopping complex. It's called Carrefour here in our city in Grenoble. And here right in the shopping complex there is this Christmas tree decorations and Christmas decorations. We had come to see our the Christmas decoration as well as to do our Christmas shoppings, our household grocery shopping. So I thought I'm going to show you some exciting thing today, that here right in the center of this shopping complex where the Christmas tree is there, you can come here and you can enjoy, and there is an excitement to meet and Christmas father. So come along with us. I want to show you around this Christmas decorations around this Christmas tree, and as we are standing in a queue, I'll show you this meeting of how our baby meets the Santa Claus and how was the meeting. So stay continuing and watch the full video. Here in the shopping complex you will see one big huge Christmas tree decorated and lightened, and you can see there is a tunnel to pass through this Christmas tree, so where you can enjoy, take lots of pictures and videos. And it's very nice to walk around in this Christmas tree canal. Especially we came here on the weekdays in evening time after our work, everything. If you come on weekends, it's very rush here. So try to come on to see this Christmas decoration on a weekdays, and mostly after 6 o'clock or after 7, so that you'll have less crowd. So you can see inside this Christmas tree, me and my baby, we are standing. And actually this is a Christmas tree at the bottom, and there is another decoration which is very cute. I've already shared this in my last vlog, but here I'm going to take you around to meet a Santa Claus, which everyone likes to, the kids and the small children and even the adults, they like to meet the Santa Claus, especially in this Christmas season. So as we were standing in a queue to meet the Santa Claus, many children and kids, they wanted to meet our baby, and they were so excited not just to meet Santa Claus but to meet our happy also, and they wanted to play with him. समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या चल रहा है, क्या फोटो, कुछ फोटा नहीं. But there is that beautiful Christmas tree here, illuminated here in Grenoble, one of the famous shopping center mall here. We really liked it, and this also. So it was really nice to walk through this Christmas tree, in fact, and it was something magical. Lightning, which I really enjoyed here, like I think so many times we crossed this tunnel through this Christmas tree. I really liked it, and actually we were waiting to meet the Santa Claus. A lot of long queue was there waiting. So till then we thought, okay, we are going to enjoy this Christmas tree lightings and going through this tunnel. It was really nice. not only us but also our baby wanted to cross through this tunnel many times, and he didn't want to wait in that long queue. If you see on the left hand side, there was a long queue. So here we are going to see this Christmas father, the Santa Claus, and he's sitting in the decoration area right below the Christmas tree, and everybody is waiting to take a photograph with him. So I want to tell something that about this Christmas father or this Santa Claus, that why he was here and why they allowed this photograph to click here with the Santa Claus. So the photo with the Santa Claus was organized by the CHU Grenoble, where I work, this hospital. This hospital, in fact, the Department of Pediatrics, in fact, if you click this, you can see this is the hospital name, and when you click a photo, that is €5 is the charge of the photo, and all this the money, the amount, it goes to the pediatric department, to the children who are admitted, and even for the pediatric cancer. The hours are written here that he is available every day in the Christmas season from 1st December to 24th December, and every day, even on Sundays. The timings, the break of the Santa Claus, everything is written in this. So the €5 you give for one photograph with the Santa Claus, and actually it is organized by the CHU Hospital. So by clicking a photograph with the Santa Claus, you're actually contributing to the pediatric department of the CHU hospital, and you're helping the kids out there who are admitted there in the hospital. So it's a fun way to raise a fundraising for the Department of Pediatrics, and also for the patients, the children who are admitted in the hospital. So many people, they are very excited, not even the adults but even the kids, they are very excited to click a photograph with the Santa Claus, and the Santa Claus gives them some toffees or some sweets. So everybody, they'll come here to click the photograph. As we were standing in a queue, I observed that the Santa Claus was very playful, very kind, and very interactive with the small kids. In fact, they are very specialized to interact with the special kids as well. So they knew very well, even with a very stubborn kid, they knew how to playfully interact with them. Not only the Christmas father, not only the Santa Claus, but also the professional photographers. And one lady, she was so kind, so interacting with the kids, not only with the kids but also with the adults. I remember when our turn came, she was even interacting with our dog, our baby Happy. There she is. She was very kind and very nice-hearted person, to talk and interact. And she was interacting with the kid as if that she is a kid. So even if the kid is alone, they will also interact with her in the same way. So overall, the atmosphere in the Christmas season vibe was very nice, and it was very nice to even help the pediatric department to this Christmas decoration. So many times the kids are very scared of Santa Claus, they start crying, but they very well knew how to calm the child and take a nice photograph with the Santa Claus. It was our turn. After interacting with the lady, then we had a chance to meet the Santa Claus, and the Santa Claus and everybody were so excited to meet our baby, because it was the first time of the Santa Claus clicking a picture with a dog, and he was more excited because he saw us all three in the Christmas caps. So you'll see.
Happy.
The spirit of joy. So you'll get this picture right there itself within 5 minutes after you pay the money through your card, which is of €5, and you can see this beautiful memories with the Santa Claus.
Vas-y.
Voilà. Nickel. Encore une autre. Allez, tu l'appelles bien Happy.
Vous pouvez dire comme ça. Comment appeler la charme?
Allez.
Happy.
Happy.
Trop bien.
Là, elle est bien. Joyeux Noël, Happy. Hein? Oh, il t'a fait la misère, dis-moi.
Il est trop chaud.
Me plains. Allez. T'as de sacrés parents, Happy. Hein?
So the next week when we came for our Christmas shopping, our baby, he remembered that we had come here to click a photograph. So this was the second time we again came to meet the Santa Claus to click a picture with him. And again the Santa Claus, he knew my baby's name, and he was again excited to take the picture with him. He was all set. Everybody was so happy to meet him again.
Les masques, s'il vous plaît, levez les masques.
La clochette, prenez la clochette.
Oui, comme ça. Fais miaou. Ça m'a fait votre fils. Crache sur l'appareil là. Vous faites ça, miaou, miaou. Miaou, miaou.
Allez.